Okay, we're in Anaheim this Sunday morning. This is a solar system, a 6.5, done for Mr. John Davis. We can go a little closer. Here's the sign of the company. Let's go and see the inverter. It has some nice production. One of the other jobs done here is the thankless water heater. Energy savings, of course, connected to the house. This is the inverter. The inverter is on. You can see how much we generated today. Disconnect on meters 1 and 2. This is for the city of Anaheim. And let's see what is the kilowatt we generated today. Today's not the best sunny day, but it's okay. All right, inverter okay. Serial number. Okay, E today 9.0.9. Okay, this system made 9636 kilowatts in total. So over 9,000 kilowatts also already generated here. And this is the conduit going up to the rest of the panels.